हम लोग हेड ऑफ सेल्स से मिलने जा रहे हैं शोभा के विनीत पारिक से।
Like these especially, you don't have to start anywhere. You can just open the book, whatever you see.
यार ये क्या हो गया, मेरी गाड़ी तो खराब है, मैं क्या करूं?
गॉड, ये स्कैम बहुत कॉमन है, मेरे साथ भी रिसेंटली हुआ है 120 करोड़ का।
Today, we're very excited to be here at the Q1 2026 Awards by Shobha Realty, and we're so happy that we're top 20.
Yeah.
We don't know what rank we will be yet, but we know that we will be maybe in the top 10, top 5?
Number one.
Okay.
I don't know any other numbers, only number one. And funny thing is, last year हमने कंपनी स्टार्ट की है कृपा, और लास्ट ईयर जुलाई 2025 में शोभा ने हमें इनवाइट किया था राइजिंग स्टार अवार्ड देने के लिए, जो कि इंकरेजमेंट के लिए होता है. एंड एग्जैक्टली आफ्टर 10 months we are in top 20 in Shobha, and Shobha is one of the top developer in Dubai. They are tier 1 developers. So for us and entire Kirpa Army, it's a big achievement कि हम लोग टॉप 20 में, वो भी शोभा के. सो ये बहुत ही प्राउड मोमेंट है मेरे लिए और पूरी कृपा आर्मी के लिए. तो आज आप बहुत फन करोगे, पूरे शो में बहुत एंजॉय करोगे, क्योंकि कृपा आर्मी इज गोना हैव सम फन. सो लेट्स बिगिन.
We have here tonight. If I didn't know any better, I would think we're at a fashion show. Everybody looking absolutely spectacular. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and on the behalf of the entire Shobha family, it is my honor to welcome you all to the Shobha Stars Awards of Q1 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with a warm round of applause the Group Chief Sales and Marketing Officer at Shobha Realty, the one and only Mr. Ashish Parab.
Good evening, everyone. You know, my entire speech was written as per everyone wearing their traditional clothes. None of you did that for me. I did that. So now, except some of Shobha team members, some of full channel team. Moin bhai, I saw you. Loy gave me a very good statement. Vinay gave me a very good statement. We are real estate professionals. Our country, our work, our culture is all real estate. So don't expect us to wear anything else. Yeah, Khadun, you also gave me this. But now what do I do? Because my entire speech was based on this. But anyways, guys, the entire concept of today's event has been that we are blessed, that we are a part of this beautiful country, that even today, all of us who are coming from so many different nationalities are sitting here praying for this country, making this country strong once again. So I guess that deserves a huge round of applause, and I thank each one of you for making it here tonight. This year is going to become much more easier, and thus we wanted to celebrate tonight with all of you, and that is why I want to congratulate first all the award winners of tonight, and let's make Q2 a bigger, better, bolder year, the quarter. Thank you guys.
Mr. Ashish Parab, come on up, sir. Let's also get the Chief Business Development Officer once again, Ms. Sivan. We should have kept you up here. All right, and let's also get the Chief Sales Officer, Dubai, the one and only, Mr. Vineet Parekh. And next up, let's get the Chief Sales Officer of Abu Dhabi, Mr. Mani Tyagi. Come on up, please. And last but not least, the Chief Sales Officer, Mr. Manoj Vidali. Come on up. Really excited to announce these guys. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise and a warm round of applause and jump and go nuts for our third ranked top performer for the Shobha Stars of Q1 2023, the undisputed, the one and only, my amazing friends of Prominent Wrestling. Ladies and gentlemen, coming in, the second position for the Shobha Stars Awards for the year 2026. Please help me make some serious noise for It's always very interesting to see this level of success. We want to know, give us your name, let everybody know who you are. But most importantly, tell everybody, what was this journey like for you? Good, how are you? But most importantly, how did you do it? That's what we want to know.
Thank you for giving us this honor, first of all. Ashish, thank you so much. The entire Shobha team, you've done a great job in supporting us, and we wouldn't be here without them. So a round of applause for the Shobha team, please. No secrets, just hard work, consistency, and discipline. Everybody knows it. We just put in the work. The team has done such a great job. Well done, guys. This is your night. You've done a great job. And to all the channel partners, you guys killed it as well, 4-1. So this is all for all of you.
Everybody, especially my very best friend Luai, Kirpa, Mu'in, everybody.
I always speak a lot, but first of all, congratulations to all the award winners and special congratulations to REM. I was Just telling the team to be at number 1 is easy. To retain it again and again and again, and I'm trying to taunt some channel partners here that being number 1 again and again is a very tough job. So congratulations to all of you. You guys have really shown your brilliance. Congratulations to Loai, Manpreet ji, Jay ji. I would want to also talk something about Kirpa Properties. I guess the kind of hard work and efforts these people put, anytime anyone wants to check who is in the office, my team is not in the office, Kirpa, every agent is in the office. Moin bhai, congratulations, I told, award is not going anywhere. It is there. Vinay, yes. Vinay, where did Vinay go? You know what we spoke about, we need to do what we need to do. But I would like to congratulate all of you, Wasim, I'm not sorry, Andre, sorry if I'm missing anyone, but congratulations guys. And anyone wants to join here for a Dabka or Indian dance is more than welcome. So Loy, you can join also with Aryan. They would love you here.
Number 2 in Shobha Reality, and we are so proud to announce me and my entire Kirpa army worked really hard the entire year, and we are so proud that we have this beautiful trophy today. Jay, you have to say something?
Of course, we're very proud to win and become the second top performer in Shobha Realty. For Q1 though, we are very confident next time this too will change and become 1. So hope for the best. And our team is working really hard. The entire Kirpa army is working day and night, and we're so proud of them, right? And we want to make them grow and support. And that's it. Let's hope for the best. Let's go.
ये तो ट्रेलर था, पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. वी आर नंबर 2 इन शोभा, एंड वो भी दिन दोनों जब होंगे हम नंबर 1 इन शोभा. This is possible just because of our visionary leaders, Miss Manpreet and Jaipa ji. So it shows nothing is impossible, and वो भी दिन दोनों जब हम होंगे नंबर 1 इन शोभा in this year.
ये अभी तक हमारी आदत ही हो गई है टॉप 10 में आने के लिए, लेकिन इस बार हम टॉप 5 आए नंबर 2 पे, एंड वी आर वेरी क्लोज टू कमिंग नंबर 1. एंड दिस ईयर 2026 पूरे साल के अंदर हम नंबर 1 आके दिखाएंगे, एंड दैट इज द पावर ऑफ एंटायर किरपा. आप देखते रहिए इस पूरे शो को, कैसे ये पूरे साल हम परफॉर्म करते हैं. अभी के लिए फिलहाल Q1 में हम नंबर 2 आए हैं.
It is such a proud moment for us to be number 2 in Shobha Reality. Kirpa Army is not just about sales. We are about commitment and discipline. And great thanks to Manpreet and Dr. J. Because of their visionary leadership, they always inspire us to perform better and achieve more. And guess what? Kirpa Army is even prepared. Q2, Q3, and even every quarter, every year belongs to us. And the wait is not too long for us to be number 1. Not only in Shobha Reality, but in UAE. Thank you so much for your love and support.
सब लोगों को 10 साल में युगा चेंज होता है. हम लोग किरपा प्रॉपर्टीज में एक महीना में युगा चेंज होता है. हम लोग अपग्रेड होके जाता है. सो हम लोग अभी आए टॉप 2 इन शोभा, which is tier 1 developers in the entire Dubai. We are really blessed. Thank you so much for all your support. Next is number 1. अगले साल में नहीं है, अगले महीने में हो सकते हैं. Keep watching.
What an amazing moment. I am very happy. I have recently joined Kirpa, and it's my pleasure that recently Kirpa became number 2 in Shobha. I'm very happy and I'm very proud that I have joined this company. It's the best choice that I have did. Manpreet ma'am से, Jay sir से हमको बहुत खुशी है. I'm very happy that I'm with them. Thanks to Manpreet ma'am, thanks to Jay sir, and thanks to Kirpa Army.
So पिछले साल तक हम थे राइजिंग स्टार्स, लेकिन अब स्टार्स राइज हो चुके हैं. वी आर नंबर 2 इन शोभा दिस क्वार्टर, एंड बहुत जल्दी हम नंबर 1 पहुंचने वाले हैं. दिस इज द पावर ऑफ रेजिलियंस, कंसिस्टेंसी एंड हार्ड वर्क. और वो सिर्फ पॉसिबल होता है जब आपके पास इतनी अच्छी लीडरशिप होती है, लाइक मनप्रीत जी एंड जयपा जी. दे आर सुपर सपोर्टिव टू ऑल ऑफ अस.
And that's how Kirpa Army has made till here. And until we are first, stay tuned.
It gives me immense pleasure to announce that we are number 2 in Shobha in Q1 2026. I would like to thank all our investors for trusting us, believing in us, and keeping constant faith on us. Kirpa is no less to be number 1. And in Q2, definitely Kirpa is going to be number 1 with Shobha and definitely with other developers as well. Thank you. Keep showering your blessings on us and keep supporting us. I would also like to congratulate Manpreet and Jay for their immense trust on us and their leadership and dedication towards us. With their support, we are here today and definitely we are moving much forward. Kirpa is meant to be number 1.
Today we are on number 2, but very soon Kirpa will be on number 1 because हमारी Kirpa Army does not only work 9 to 5, but they're literally working 12 hours a day. And just in this show, you will see कि Kirpa Army number 2 पर आके उनकी energy ये है, तो just imagine number 1 पे आके what will Kirpa Army do? Stay tuned and very soon we'll be on number 1.
हम सबके लिए दुबई के टियर 1 डेवलपर शोभा में नंबर 2 आना बहुत ही बड़ी अचीवमेंट है। हमने बहुत मेहनत की है एंड वी सेलिब्रेटेड, वी एंजॉयड आवर डे। पर अब टाइम है सीरियस होने का। नाउ वी एम बैक टू वर्क और हमें थोड़ी सी फिल्ट्रेशन करनी है क्योंकि ऑफिस का कल्चर मेरे लिए और जे के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट, सपोर्टिंग ईच अदर विद इन द कलीग्स, सपोर्टिंग ईच अदर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी। बट देयर आर सम इश्यूज गोइंग ऑन, वो भी कुछ टीम मेंबर्स के साथ, बिकॉज उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ में कुछ इश्यूज चल रहे हैं। सो आई हैव टू टेक अ वेरी हार्श डिसीजन दिस वीक। तो लेट्स गेट बैक टू वर्क, लेट्स शो यू व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन Kirpa Army. Let's go. Another day, more problems.
What's the title of the video?
Yeah, it's title of the video. But
No,
thank
it's
you,
okay.
babe. Thank you
Of course. Let's have a coffee. Let's talk about things. Let's go through it. You tell me what's on your mind. I know you're a little stressed out. So
Little stressed out. I am
Very stressed out.
I'm very stressed out. So many things are going on.
Yeah.
I don't know कि किसको कैसे फिक्स करूं. But I think आज का दिन मेरा शांति से निकल जाए. I mean, like, I'll be happy end of the day.
कोई बात नहीं.
So we have to talk about 4 or 5 things. We have made a plan, right? So let's sit in a coffee shop and plan.
Sure.
हर कंपनी में 2 तरह के एम्प्लॉयज़ होते हैं, एक परफॉर्मिंग, एक नॉन परफॉर्मिंग। मैं हमेशा नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एजेंट्स को क्राई बेबी बोलती हूँ क्योंकि वो हमेशा दे एंडेड अप ब्लेमिंग द कंपनी कि कंपनी हमारे लिए ये नहीं करी, कंपनी हमारे लिए वो नहीं करी। इन फैक्ट परफॉर्मिंग एंड नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एजेंट्स दोनों को सेम सपोर्ट मिलती है, सेम फैसिलिटीज़ मिलती है, सेम अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती है। बट अगेन ह्यूमन नेचर, nobody wants to blame themselves, they always blame others. So similar situations हो चुकी है हमारी कंपनी में and I'm trying to remove such people because मुझे Kirpa का culture spoil नहीं करना। I want to be surrounded by only positive people. That's why we will be taking some harsh decisions today और मेरे लिए ये easy नहीं है। So we will be firing few people today. उसके लिए that's why we came to coffee shop today just to discuss with my husband. हाँ, जो मैं थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स फील करूँ क्योंकि मेरे लिए किसी को फायर करना बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है बिकॉज मैं इमोशनली भी लोगों के साथ कनेक्टेड होती हूँ एंड इट्स नॉट इजी यू नो एज अ ह्यूमन टू फायर समवन एल्स क्योंकि लोगों की बहुत सारी होप्स होती है। सो दैट्स अबाउट इट, लेट्स सी हाउ माय डे गोस। कम विद मी बेब, थैंक यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, थैंक यू फॉर द कॉफ़ी। बिना दूध की कॉफ़ी के लिए थैंक यू सो मच।
Of course, anytime.
मतलब पंजाब में अगर बिना दूध के चाय जो कॉफ़ी दे दो तो गरीब माना जाता है। सुबह सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं एजेंट की क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा हमें वहीं से इश्यूज आ रहे हैं। तो आई थिंक मे बी यू कैन करेक्ट मी बट मुझे लगता है शी इज़ नॉट लॉन्ग टर्म, बहुत ही नेगेटिव जोन में चले गए क्योंकि उनके पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत ज़्यादा है, उसकी वजह से वो ऑफिस में भी सारी नेगेटिविटी आ गई है। सो शी इज़ थिंकिंग एवरीथिंग in a negative phase. So we tried to bring her back. मैंने और उनके जो टीम लीडर है, we tried a lot कि उनको वापस लेके आए, मोटिवेट करने की कोशिश की. मैंने एक घंटा काउंसलिंग की. उनकी टीम लीडर है जो, उसने एक घंटा काउंसलिंग की और रोज़ करती है वो, रोज़ सुबह शाम, आपको भी बताए. But I don't know, there's something missing. They're going through something. Financially, they're not very stable. And emotionally, they're not stable क्योंकि उनकी personal life में problem चल रही है. तो मुझे लग रहा है, right now, it's not healthy company to have someone like this on floor. Yes, I want to support her. I want her to grow. But culture भी तो खराब हो रहा है क्योंकि वो एक एजेंट जाके दूसरे लोगों को भी बोल रहा है कि मेरे साथ ये हो गया, मेरे साथ वो हो गया. But they don't know the real story behind, right?
You're right, Manpreet. And look, negativity spreads very, very fast, and it spreads more faster than positivity.
Mm-hmm.
So if that is the case, and we have given multiple chances, right, and it's not working out for her, for the company, then it's best we separate. So you're making the right decision.
Thank you, babe. Thank you for aligning with my vision. क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि मैं कोई रॉन्ग डिसीजन लूँ, इसलिए मेरा आपसे बात करना बहुत ज़रूरी था. मुझे नींद भी नहीं प्रॉपर आई सोच के. बट या, इट्स अ हार्ड डिसीजन, वी हैव टू मेक इट. मैं अभी एचआर को इन्फॉर्म कर देती हूँ, तो टेक द हैंड ओवर एंड लेट हर गो, राइट? ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक क्विकली हमें डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हमारी जूम कॉल भी है 10 बजे हमारे बिजनेस कोच के साथ, ठीक है? सो रिगार्डिंग टीम लीडर्स, सो हमारी ऑलरेडी मीटिंग है सैटरडे को. आई वॉन्ट टू नो फ्रॉम यू कि हम लोग कमिंग सैटरडे और क्या क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट्स कर सकते हैं, टीम लीडर्स को कैसे और मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं और कैसे उनके लिए स्ट्रक्चर बना सकते हैं.
No, before we talk about them, I just want to say we have such a great team, you know. They're very hardworking. Everybody in the team, we're talking about, you know, the content leader, Param, we're talking about Inder, Jajisha, the sales team, you know, all the team leaders are working so hard. And they're doing such a great job. It's even though it's like their first official week, I think they've done a great job so far. But yes, we have to make sure they have the right structure and they know that they don't have to spend all their time on the team, right? Some of them may be too passionate, too engrossed in like handling their team. We can't have that. They also have to focus on their sales because this is the double risk we're taking basically. We're we're giving the responsibility to the best salespeople as well, right? Now, we will know in the future if it's the right decision or the wrong decision, but they're doing a great job. I think in the meeting we have on Saturday, we have to talk more about their experience of the first week. How do they feel? How much time they're spending towards their team? How much time they're spending for themselves? That is really important. So that's number one. I think number two, we can talk about how they can improve, right? Which you are looking at them every day. So you'll know exactly what they should be doing, what they're doing wrong, maybe what they're doing right. Let's praise them a little bit, each and every one. And I think third is making the plan for the next week.
Yep.
What to change, and then see how they change it for the next practice.
Absolutely.
Anna?
Yes, babe. Thank you. Thank you. I absolutely agree with you, and I love our team leaders. They're very passionate, and I can see myself. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं मनप्रीत को देख रही हूँ, मैं अपना मिरर देख रही हूँ. So they're so hardworking. I would say we are absolutely lucky and blessed to have them, and I think they are the pillars of Kirpa. No. Now, okay, perfect. These two things are sorted. अभी हमें वापस भी जाना है. पहले मैंने बताया था हमारी Zoom call शुरू होने वाली है in another 25 minutes. But we have to also plan UK trip.
Oh, yes.
Trip हम लोग जा रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए भी
It's a short trip as well. It's always a short trip.
हमारा हमेशा शॉर्ट ट्रिप होता है. रनिंग जाते हैं.
3 days.
हाँ, 3 days. तो फर्स्ट 2 days हमें कवर करने हैं सारे दिमाग शोभा इमार के जो ऑफिस है वहाँ पे इन सेंट्रल लंदन. इमार तो नहीं है, डैन्यूब, शोभा, बेंगाती एंड दिमाग, 4 डेवलपर्स कवर करने हैं. वी हैव टू मेक कंटेंट. तो हमें टूर करना है. वी हैव टू शूट लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस, यूट्यूब वीडियोस स्पेशली. उसके बाद फिर बर्थडे पार्टी है. सो बर्थडे पार्टी अटेंड करके फिर शॉपिंग डे, 1 एक्स्ट्रा शॉपिंग डे फॉर मी, जहाँ पे मैं नहीं करूँगी शॉपिंग. फिर मैं बोलती हूँ करती नहीं हूँ.
Shopping किधर करनी है?
शॉपिंग सेंट्रल.
Okay.
Harrods.
Okay.
बड़ी मुश्किल से 2 साल के बाद मुझे हैरिट्स बोल
I
रहे हैं.
don't like Harrods.
No, it's nice. Zigzag.
मुझे पता ही नहीं लगता है कि मतलब where's the store, where's what? There's nothing there.
Maybe it's a heritage building.
अच्छी.
You being there is a opportunity for
To
Harrods.
spend money for
For
them
Harrods.
and to give them the money. I don't think so. Chalo dekhte hain.
But it's not the best quality, to be honest. Last time we bought dear shoes, 10 दिन के बाद खराब हो.
Huh? Exactly.
And that too from Harrods.
That money is not what it used to be.
I know, मेरे बाटा के चप्पल ज़्यादा चल जाते हैं Louis Vuitton और Gucci से.
So let's buy Bata.
I don't know.
Let's buy 100 pairs of Bata.
No.
Come on.
No.
So salji.
I like my dear. मजाक कर रही हूँ. Anyways, babe.
ठीक है.
It feels refreshing.
Yeah.
Now I feel.
You're excited for the trip? Another trip?
नहीं, पहले आज का दिन तो निकालें.
हाँ,
जो
आज-
challenges है. दिन तो निकल जाएगा. बेब आपका शूट भी है आज. 11:30 आपको वहाँ पहुँचना है. 10 o'clock आपकी Zoom call शुरू हो रही है जो कि 11 बजे खत्म होगी. फिर 11 बजे sharp you have to run to the shoot. The Mac Hills 1. आपको विला शूट करना है. ठीक है?
No problem.
I'm like your PA. सारा कुछ प्लान करके आपको याद करवाना है.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You're not my PA. You're the CEO.
I'm your boss.
You're the boss.
I'm the boss.
Yeah.
ओके बेबी, हमारा सेशन स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है. सो लेट्स क्विकली रिव्यू बिफोर इट स्टार्ट्स कि हमने लास्ट सेशन के बाद क्या क्या
Yeah.
इम्प्रूव किया और
Sure.
व्हाट्स कमिंग नेक्स्ट वीक.
Sure. So I've
Good.
written it all down. So first thing we've done, we've appointed all the team leaders. That's the biggest step we took in the company. We appointed them again, like reappointed them officially and told them what to do and give them the targets as well.
नेक्स्ट.
Second, we make sure that they have teams. We added team members to some of them and we're going to keep adding them until you don't have anybody left to manage.
ओके नेक्स्ट.
Next, we had for content, operations, HR, and accounts. For other leaders, we have also appointed.
ओके परफेक्ट. सो ऑल सॉर्टेड.
हाँ.
जो लास्ट टाइम हमें टास्क मिले थे सारे कंप्लीट हो गए, राइट?
Yeah, pretty
Can- Can we start the call? We are already 1 minute late.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, I get to see Manjeet today as well.
Hi Rajnish ji, how are you?
Very well indeed. Nice to see you folks together.
Likewise ji. Last time Jay did not invite me.
It's not that I didn't invite you. It was last minute, so I had to take the call myself.
Yeah.
No worries.
But sorry.
No worries.
But Manpreet will be here every single time. We want to do this together, right? So next up, we've been given access to a villa which has been developed by the Mac Properties, one of the biggest developers in Dubai. This villa is part of their Damac Hills 1 community, and it's a 17,000 square foot villa, luxury built, so right on the golf course. And we're going to have a tour of it today, so I'm going to show you around the community as well as the villa. So let's enjoy that as well. So this is the villa. I'm standing right at the gate of the villa, and this is an amazing property. I've just had a quick look inside, but the team is already inside. They're shooting their content, their videos, and I'm going to take you throughout the house very quickly. So this is the front side of the house. You have this amazing fountain area over here with these elevated steps which come out of the water. You have this little grass area, green area. Then you have the entrance to the backyard, the entrance to the basement on this side and this side, and 2 car parking spaces here. Let me tell you a little bit about this villa. It's a 17,600 square foot built up area spread across 4 levels. You have a basement, ground, first and second. There's 7 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms. It's in a huge villa. It also has its own private pool, and the back side of the villa is overlooking the golf course of Trump International Golf Course, and that's an amazing sight to behold. So we'll show you those views as well. But this is the front entrance, and the front entrance is so grand. imagine what the inside will be. So let's go inside and show you around. So just as you enter, you can feel how grand this villa is. I mean, look at the double height ceilings. You have this nice chandelier, crystal chandelier. You have a nice area in the front to take off your shoes and stuff like that. Your powder room is directly next to your first ground floor landing and lobby. You have these two vanities, you have a washroom. And let me quickly take you out throughout the house. So this house, to give you a little introduction, it's one of 50. So there's not many of these in the entire community. And this is the top end of that 50. So the autograph collection, that's what it's called. There were only 50 houses built. So you can see by the grandeur, you can see by the double height ceiling again, this amazing chandelier. It's huge. And this living room area, this furniture, that furniture, everything in this house is designed by Roberto Cavalli. So Roberto Cavalli is a famous designer, and Cavalli was actually bought out as a company. It was bought out by DAMAC. DAMAC is the developer behind this villa and this community. So they not only developed the golf course, the amenities inside the community, but they developed these villas as well themselves. And they put these on sale, of course. You can see the Roberto Cavalli inspired touches. You see the leopard print dining chairs, the nice bird-like chandeliers. You have these amazing golden accents throughout the house, right? And these sliding doors are not sliding, basically they're swivel doors which can close up. So you can close it at any time for more privacy. Again, you have another dining area for the family. This is more intimate. Your family room over here, your show kitchen on that side, and your dirty kitchen as well. So this is a huge house. We're not going to be able to show you the entire thing, but I did want to show you one thing that's really, really cool. I want to show you the basement where we have the gym and the sauna, the steam, which is not something you get in every single villa, right? And the size of this basement is going to surprise you, that's for sure. I can guarantee that. So this is your own gym area, and this is amazing size for a gym inside of a house. What they've done here is they've created this space, so that a gym person would love this. They can add more equipment as well. They don't have enough here, to be honest. They don't have a bench press, but once you put that in there, it'll complete it. You also have a nice lounge over here. And this next to this lounge is another cool thing that most houses will never have. I'm standing inside the cinema room. So this is the cinema room. You have very nice 4-seater cinema room, and it's already soundproofed, so you don't hear a thing when you're inside. And the other cool thing that I wanted to show you is the garage. The garage here is crazy. Because it's a basement, you have a lot of space to work out with, and you have 11,000 square feet, and you can park 10 cars over here. So 10 cars pretty easily. You have 3 spaces there, 6 over there, and 1 over here. And this actually turns around like a disc, and you have these nice starry sky, kind of like a Rolls Royce kind of ceiling. And then you have this, which will swivel your car, and you can enjoy your car from inside of that lounge room. So amazing basement, I think. The last thing we're going to show you in this basement is the sauna and steam room, which is also very unique. Not many houses have this. So you're going to have a look at that too. And then I'm going to take you up into the elevator onto the first floor to show you a master bedroom. So I'm here on the terrace of the master bedroom on the first floor, and you can see these amazing views, golf course views, 180 degrees, and it's amazing. I want to show you the master bedroom as well before I let you go. This is the master bedroom. Look at these furniture pieces. This is unique, right? So this is something you can watch on a video I've done on my J.Kirpa channel. You can check it out. I've done the walkthrough of the entire villa. So if you want more details, if you want to see the entire house, please go have a look. It's J.Kirpa, and you can search luxury villa in DAMAC Hills. You'll find this video. Let's go ahead and do that.
Come on, come on.
Attention everyone! जैसे कि आप सबको पता ही है कि कृपा के ऑफिस में रोलेक्स चैलेंज चल रहा है। आई मीन लाइक जो भी आपको पता ही है कि जो भी 3 यूनिट्स शोभा सेंचुरी में 4 बेडरूम टाउन हाउस की सेल करते हैं, which is worth 4.1 million dirham, they will get this Rolex. So, and guess what? Few of our team members are very close. 2 टीम मेंबर है हमारे ऑफिस में जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी एक यूनिट सेल कर दी है शोभा सेंचुरी में, एंड 2 यूनिट्स बाकी है, and whoever gets that, I mean like whoever sells those 2 units will get Rolex, and one of them is Anpreet. मुबीन खुश हो गया। मुबीन thought, oh, it's my name. अब इससे भी एक्साइटिंग पार्ट है कि कल हमारी मंथली मीटिंग है, जो कि मेरा फेवरेट पार्ट होता है पूरे महीने का, जहाँ पे हम लोग अपनी विन्स पूरे महीने में जितनी मेहनत की होती है सब सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, एंड वी प्लान आवर मंथ अहेड। और सबसे एक्साइटिंग पार्ट है कि कृपा के टॉप 3 परफॉर्मर्स कंपटीशन के मामले में बहुत क्लोज है एक दूसरे से। आई मीन लाइक लास्ट मिनट तक हमें नहीं पता चल रहा था कि कौन नंबर 1 और कौन नंबर 2 है और कौन नंबर 3 है, बिकॉज सबने बहुत अच्छा किया था। ऑल 3 टॉप परफॉर्मर्स ने बहुत अच्छा किया था, इक्वल है, सबका सेल्स वॉल्यूम इक्वल था। तो कल पता चलेगा। आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू अनाउंस कि नंबर 1, नंबर 2 और नंबर 3 कौन होगा। सो आर यू गाइज एक्साइटेड? ओके, सी यू गाइज टुमारो, एंड अब आप रेस्ट करो और काम करो। थैंक यू, बाय बाय। मुबीन, गुड मॉर्निंग, क्या हाल है यार? मैंने आपसे बात करनी है बहुत जरूरी। वो याद है ना पिछले वीक जो रोलेक्स वाला चैलेंज था? भाई दो शोभा सेंचुरी के यूनिट्स किसी ने बेच दिए हैं।
किसने बेचे हैं?
मुझे पता होता तो मैं आपसे बात करने आती इस बारे में।
किसने
बेच रही है यार? मैं पूरा दिन ट्राई कर रही हूँ, पूरी लाइक मैं दिल्ली गई अभी, सब कुछ ट्राई किया काम करने का,
कुछ भी नहीं हुआ।
कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा यार।
कुछ पाइपलाइन
है बट पीपल आर टेकिंग सम टाइम यार। I don't know how are they doing it? ये कर कैसे रहे हैं यार?
अच्छा यार, पता नहीं कैसे कर रहे हैं, मुझे भी नहीं पता क्या करना है।
नहीं है। चलो एनीवेज, कल अपना वो मंथली मीटिंग है, मेरे को तो टेंशन हो रही है यार सोच के। कौन आने वाला आपके हिसाब से टॉप 3 में?
यार मुझे हिसाब से बहुत कश्मकश होने वाली है।
मुझे भी लग रहा है, पता है इस बार गेस नहीं हो पा रहा कि कौन आएगा, है ना? पहले तो मैं हमेशा अपनी लिस्ट
अभी पता नहीं।
लेट्स सी, कल देखते हैं।
या श्योर, नो वरीज,
ऑल द बेस्ट।
लेट्स सी। शोभा सेंचुरी बेचना है, रोलेक्स चाहिए मुझे। रोलेक्स,
ये पुलिस वाली पैन के बिल्कुल छुट्टियां नहीं दे। कल है टॉप 3 परफॉर्मेंस अनाउंस होने वाले और मंथली मीटिंग है कल। लास्ट मंथ तो मैं फर्स्ट आई थी, लेकिन इस बार ही कंपटीशन इतना ज़्यादा हाई है, डील्स पे डील्स हो रही हैं। कल पता चलेगा कौन आएगा टॉप 3 में।
Hi Kamal, कैसे हो? Very good, thank you. आप कैसे हो? I'm good, thank you. How was your month? It was good. Yeah, I heard you closed 17 deals. Yes. How was it? Good. Very nice. Congratulations. All
You've been doing great.
Thank you so much. Very good. Of course.
And it was, I mean, थोड़ा सा challenging, but fine.
It's about deal, right? So of course it may be. Even mine was also mostly it was a reference lead, so it was good. Working back to back because I took almost 20 days break and I was also exhausted and I wanted to close. And
वो हमारा close करना है, you can't sit just
like that. Yeah,
करना है, कुछ ना कुछ करना है.
Yeah,
as you know, कि थोड़े पिछले month challenging because of the situation and everything.
But now market is back.
Yes, market is back.
It's getting better.
हाँ, कर
people are already active. I feel like we just need to give them the right opportunity.
Monthly meeting भी आने वाला अभी तो
कल है, कल morning पता चलेगा कौन first है, कौन second है, कौन third है। मुझे बहुत डग हो रहा है।
मुझे भी ऐसे हो रहा है ना।
Yeah, because I think it's skills.
से रिजल्ट आने वाले हैं अभी।
Exactly.
Let's see कि कौन
और सेट में बेटा हम लोग कौन आएगा।
Anyways, मैंने तो 17 किए हैं, तो मुझे तो वैसे लग रहा है कि मैं ही आऊँगी।
हाँ, मैंने तो अच्छा किया है, but I wanted to do more best. But let's see, देखते हैं हम लोग या कौन आएगा। मैं मे बी सेकेंड और थर्ड आ सकते हैं, पता नहीं,
देखते हैं।
Exactly. कमल आप बताओ लाइक कैसे चल रहे हैं मार्केट में?
अब है मतलब back now.
You're back now. Completely back. Almost 1.7 लेके आया है आप. So anyway, let's see.
It was very tough, but फिर भी हो गया. It took me 1.5 months.
It's good. At least it's paid off, you know. So it's good.
चलो
देखते हैं।
ठीक है, अभी मीटिंग है मेरी।
Yeah, sure. Let's see you then. Bye bye. Take care.
मैं हूँ टॉप परफॉर्मर ऑफ 2025
सो इस मंथ मैंने डील्स क्लोज किए हैं 17 यूनिट्स। ऑफ कोर्स नंबर 1 भी मैं ही हूँ। 17 डील्स में क्या होता है, नंबर होना चाहिए, वॉल्यूम होना चाहिए। वॉल्यूम कितना क्लोज किया, वो मैं हूँ इस मंथ में, मैं बड़ा डील क्लोज किया। आपको पता चलेगा, कल मॉर्निंग तक वेट कर लीजिए। मैंने तो ऐसा बोल दिया कमल को, नंबर 1 मैं ही हूँ।